In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold text in Google Docs. If you want to make certain words or sentences stand out in your document, bold formatting is one of the easiest and most useful tools to use. It can help draw attention to headings, important details, keywords, or anything else you want readers to notice right away. The good news is that in Google Docs, making text bold only takes a few seconds. To begin, open your Google Doc and find the text you want to change. The first thing you need to do is highlight the text you want to bold. To do that, click at the beginning of the word, sentence, or paragraph. Then drag your cursor across the text until everything you want selected is highlighted. Make sure only the text you want to format is selected, because Google Docs will apply the change only to the highlighted section. Once your text is selected, go to the toolbar at the top of Google Docs and click the bold button. This button is represented by a capital B. As soon as you click it, the highlighted text will be updated with bold formatting. This is the most visual and straightforward way to do it, especially if you prefer using on-screen tools while editing. There is also a faster method if you like keyboard shortcuts. After highlighting the text, you can press Ctrl and B on your keyboard. If you're using a Mac, the equivalent shortcut is Command and B. This does the exact same thing as clicking the toolbar button, and it can save time when you're editing longer documents or making multiple formatting changes. After using either method, the selected text will become bold. You should immediately notice that it looks darker and more prominent than the surrounding text. That visual difference helps emphasize important information and makes your document easier to scan and read. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that bold formatting can be turned on and off. So if you accidentally bold the wrong text, just highlight it again and click the bold button, or use the same keyboard shortcut to remove the formatting. And that's all there is to it. Highlight the text, click the B icon in the toolbar, or use Ctrl B, and your selected text will become bold. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in how clear and organized your document looks.